Haven't you noticed that your trading from 2025 and now, they've really not been different like that? When I mean difference, I mean positive difference. Haven't you noticed it? I think there's a problem somewhere, and not until we identify the problem and fix it, your 2025 trading results would most likely replicate itself in 2026 that we are currently. And that's the reason why I just thought to do this video, to let you guys know that there's a whole lot of work to do for us to start seeing better results compared to the results we saw or we had all throughout last year, which was 2025. So the thing is, you see this FX trading thing. At some point, I've realized that it's very easy to be distracted. Yeah, it's very easy to be distracted because when you come online, you would see a whole lot of results that would most likely want to give you the impression that there's something you are not getting, or there's something wrong you're doing that's making you not get the results you see other people getting online. Now, let me make this clear to you guys. You would hardly see an FX trader come on YouTube to show you his losses. I'm telling you this. If you can just really take time to listen to all I'm about to say in this video, I promise you your mindset is going to shift and it's going to really affect your trading journey positively, and you begin to see massive result. I'm actually talking from experience. There's this distraction you can get from online as an FX trader. Just like as I said earlier, you would hardly see an FX trader come online to show you his or her losses. What you see basically more online is just results, and that is one major distraction for every FX trader out there. Now, guys, there is a place for motivation. There is a place where when you see people doing big numbers on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, there's a place for motivation and it will motivate you to want to keep pushing. But there's a very thin line between motivation and discouragement. There's a way you would see all these screenshot and videos of results, big numbers, and if you don't know how to process it carefully and interpret it the right way as an FX trader, it will mess up your trading journey and you will see yourself starting all over again. One of the ways you can actually start all over again is changing your trading strategy. Thinking the people you're seeing online are not making losses. Thinking there is one holy grail strategy out there that these guys use and they don't make losses. Now, this is why it's so hard for a whole lot of persons to be profitable in the FX space, because your so-called mentors don't show you their losses. So if you really want to start seeing changes in your trading this year 2026, especially as a newbie trader that you have to learn to shut the noise and learn to process what you see online and convert it to motivation that will profit you in the long run. Don't convert the things you see online to make you want to change strategy, make you want to change your approach to the market. As much as I know that there's a place for you to adjust if you're not doing the right thing, because in FX, if you're doing the wrong thing over and over again, of course you would keep on having the same negative results. You get the point. But when you see somebody, for example, makes, let's say, $1,000 a day with $50 deposit, and you think that's how the FX market works, bro, that mentality alone has already messed up your psychology and understanding of how the market works. And the next thing you want to do is to dump the strategy you've been using for months. I know, of course, that your strategy might not have really made you anything profitable, but at least you've understood the way the strategy works and you're still working on it. But because you saw somebody trade a different thing and made a whole lot of money, you feel the strategy you're using is not good enough and you want to switch to that person's strategy. you will end up seeing yourself in the loop of hopping from one strategy to the other and just going around in circles. And one thing that the FX market can do for you is it can waste your time. Your mentor might not have told you this, but I'm actually telling you now because I've had experience with how the market works, and I can tell you, you can be jumping from one strategy to the other for a whole year without any positive results. The only way to start seeing results in FX trading, this is for newbie traders out there and for those that are still finding it hard to maintain a stable psychological mindset, is learn to stick to one trading strategy. There must be a particular trading strategy that you love. Stick to it even when you're not seeing the results. Now, this is the point you must not miss in this video. In this year 2026, guys, all of you watching this video on my YouTube channel, be you a subscriber or non-subscriber, as long as you're doing this FX thing, learn to stick to your trading style. If you're trading one pair, learn to stick to it. If you're trading just break and retest, learn to stick to it. The reason is, no matter the strategy you see online somebody is making use of and the person is actually doing well, there's no strategy out there that does not take losses. There's no strategy that is loss proof. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make now. It's just that, like as I said, they won't show you their losing streaks. A real mentor will show you the period of time he had losing streaks. And that's why if I see you as a forex trader, you're posting results online and I'm not seeing your losses, I don't take you seriously, because to me that's deception. I take you seriously when I see that you're making profits, and at the same time, when you finally find yourself in losing streaks, you still post it. That's what makes you a real FX trader. So for you watching the videos, this video right now, I want you to understand that the FX market treats everybody equally. Okay, the market does not care about the strategy you're using to trade. What the market cares about is how are you managing your emotions when it strikes you with losses, and how do you react when you're on a winning streak. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. So bottom line is, in this year 2026, as an FX trader, if you really want to start seeing improvements in your trading, you have to learn to believe in yourself, believe in the strategy you're trading, stick to it regardless of the results you're having, and work towards being consistent with it. Over time, you start seeing positive results. Don't allow pictures and videos you see online to deceive you. Every strategy has its ups and downs. That's one thing you to know. Be it smart money concept strategies, normal retail strategies, ICT strategies, whatever the strategy is, there's no strategy that at some point won't give you 3 straight losses or even 4 straight losses. Don't allow anybody to deceive you and tell you that they can't remember the last time they had 3 straight losses. Bro, they are not being honest. If that person is being honest, okay, there will always be a downtime in your strategy, no matter, if you like, use the world most expensive algo trading software. That's just the way the market is programmed. What keeps you in the game is your money management and how you approach the market psychologically. Those are the two basic things that keeps you in the game and makes you profitable in the long run. So I thought to do this video out there to let somebody know, especially the newbie traders watching this video, that trading FX is a very long game. It's a long, tiring, and boring game. If only you can pay the price to be true to yourself, stay locked in, stop jumping from one strategy to the other. Don't be carried away with things you see on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook about the FX market. Trading, guys, is very, very personal. And until you take it personal, you might not see results. That's one thing about trading you should know. So I just thought to do this trader out to out talk out there, because I know that it's going to profit somebody. This is January. You can actually make a U-turn. You can actually make a resolution and say, bro, this year I'm not going to get carried away with results I see online. Even when I see people doing big numbers, I'll see it as motivation and try for mastery on the strategy I'm already doing. If you can have on the strategy you're already using, if you can have that mindset, then I assure you, 6 months, 7 months from now, you start seeing results. The result might not come as fast as you want, but with time you will start seeing results. So this is all that I have for you guys for today. My name is Michael. If this is your first time of watching my videos on this channel, and I basically document my journey on this channel. Okay, I'm an FX trader also. So I just document my journey here on YouTube, and I do trader out to out talk like this. So if you sort of like content like this on YouTube and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be bringing a lot to you guys on this channel this year 2026. So please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions with regards all I just said, or you have one or two things to contribute, please do what to use the comment section, and I will respond and give you my own feedback ASAP. So this will be all for this video. Stay locked in, don't be discouraged, don't be distracted. Focus on what you're already doing, improve on your strategy, and allow time to process and make you a master at it. Then you start seeing results. So that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Wishing you guys a happy new year once again. We are still glad and we thank God that we are actually seeing 2026, and we thank God for keeping us all throughout 2025. So hopefully 2026 is gonna be a whole lot better for every FX trader on my channel. I would really love to hear from you guys. So please do want to drop your comments in the comment section like I already said. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video from beginning to the end. If there's any other thing you want me to talk about, if there's any FX topic you want me to talk about on this channel, please do want to drop it in the comment section. I'll specially do a video for you. Okay, so this is my way of saying thank you to all of my subscribers out there. So I'll be open to get feedbacks from you guys. Thank you very much. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.